Hey, Ozzy here. In this quick video, I'm just going to talk about how you can run C program in Visual Code Studio. We're just going to follow these 4 steps, not much. First of all, we'll just create the environment for C. After this, we'll do a little bit setup, and then we're just going to install some of the extension. That's it. Before I start the video, make sure that you already installed Visual Code Studio on your computer, like it's Mac or Windows, whatever you're using. Or if you're still not install these, just search in Google Visual Code Studio and then come here this website and install it, whatever you are currently using. So the first step, we have to create the environment, right? So search in Google Mingw, okay? And then you will come here this website source4.net. Then just go here and just click on this download button and download this exe file. If you're really getting problem to download it, then you can move on the next website like Mingw-64, or you can try another website. Okay, when you download this done, then you get to see this type of file, Mingw get setup. Just double click on here and then just click on install, then go to continue. And I'm just getting this pop-up because I've already installed it, so I just going to run it. But if you're new, then just install it. Okay, so when you're installed done, then you will get to see this type of pop-up, right? And as you can see, I just installed it multiple times, so that's why I'm getting to see like this. So you just select all, okay, and after this click on here this installation, and then click on here this apply changes. And in my case, you were just getting to see here same name and same file in 2 times because I installed it multiple times. That's why. When your apply changes done, then go to here this local disk like C drive, then find out here Mingw this folder and open here this peel folder again and copy here this URL. Just double click on here and Control C, or you can just copy it from here. And after this, go back this PC again, click mouse right button, go to properties, then go to advanced system setting, and after this go to here this environment variable, then click on here this path, edit, then click on here this new button, then paste here that you recently copied, and then click on OK button. Then you get to see like this. Okay, then again click on OK. That's it. So we now successfully finished this 2 step. Let's go to here extension tab. So open your Visual Code Studio, then click on here this extension tab and just search here C/C++, and then install here this extension that you can see here. It's coming from Microsoft, and another one it's like C/extension pack. Also install this one. When it's done, then search here code runner and also install this extension. It's coming from Zunhan. And if you scroll down in here, then you will get to see some of the shortcut, like how to run and how to stop this code, running code, how you can stop it. You can get to see some of these shortcuts. When it's done, then let's start our first C program. Click on file. Here is this new file, or just new text file, and then we can just type here whatever. But before typing something, just press Ctrl S, then you will get to see a pop-up, and within a save you have to select the folder. So now you can select here something like this. I just type CC. I'm not sure where this is going, so let's just go to here and then make it save. Then we get this C file. Okay, and this is the path that is my file is available. So this is the one procedure, but I don't really like it. I normally follow what you can just first of all you have to create in a folder. It can be anywhere in any kind of any drive, any folder. Okay, so you just create a folder. After this, open it and then click mouse right button and click on here new, and then just create a new text document and select all the text like Control A, and after this type whatever the file name, and then just C, then enter. Then you're going to see this pop-up. Yes, I want to share, and then as you can see we are getting to see here the C file. But one thing, if you're not getting to see here this if you cannot change the file extension name, then click on view and just select here this one. Okay, if you get to see like this, just click on view and then just tick mark on here file name extension, then you will get to see the file name extension, and also you can change it. Okay, so when your file name done, then just click on here this URL and type here cmd, and then you will get it will be run in your terminal, and just type code space dot, then this folder will be automatically open on Visual Code Studio, and now you can directly run your code in there, right? So we already get the folder in here, and now this is our first program. So let's do a little bit type, or let's run in a program in here. Let's see what happened. So one thing, you know, if you type something wrong, then you will get to see here, as you can see, I was typed something wrong in here. I was missed the quotation. So let me just make it comment and also just enable it. And now if I run it again, then as you can see, it's gonna, yeah, it's okay, it's good. So I hope guys you understand how to run your first program on Visual Code Studio. So I hope now you can do it, but before finish the video, we have to do a little bit setting. After you know, if you not do the setting after this and later, you will get a little bit issue when it's going to user put something, and you're just gonna, you know, take this all the things from the user, then this thing will be not work. So just go to here the setting and go to again the setting, and then search here run in terminal, since we'll work in terminal. So run in tar, if you type this, then you have to find out here code runner, and then run in terminal. You will get to see like this. So just tick mark on here. Okay, it's just saying like whether to run code in interrogate in terminal. So yeah, I want this. So just tick mark on here, that's it, and now our everything is now ready. Okay, and for you guys, like I have another solution. If you don't want to take this hassle, you want to do everything in online, then I just highly recommend you can just search on Google C online compiler, this one, then you can come here, this program is this website, and then you will get to see here all the code is still, you know, written. You can just do whatever, you just type here whatever you love to do, and just click on a run button, then you will get to see this program. Okay, I mean this output. So you don't need to install anything. This is basically another solution. I'm not recommend you to do this, but if you really don't have time to do something, then you can just follow. Now let me talk about like how we can uninstall Mingw. I know some of the people will get problem for installing it, or like me, multiple time they install it, so now they wanna uninstall Mingw. How they can? Let me show you. So first of all, you have to go here the C drive, or where you install this file, come there, go there, and after this you will get to see Mingw, this folder. You can just simply delete here. Okay, just simply select it and just delete it. Okay, then this for all the file will be deleted, and after this you have to do another thing, that is like you also have to delete the path folder. To do that, click mouse right button, go to here properties, I think you can remember it, just go to advanced system setting, after this environment variable, then go to path and go to edit, then just select your Mingw file and just delete it. That's it. So I hope guys you understand.